Hi, sister. Say,
Hi, what's your name?
say, what's your name?
Does he speak English?
He speaks English and he doesn't know Telugu. Our mother tongue is Telugu, but he's unable to speak Telugu because he watches cartoon like so many shows will be there, na Val and Nikki, Diana and Roma, so many. So he has learnt everything by from them. So he's speaking
Cartoon,
only in
from
English.
cartoon he learns.
Yes, he
Wow, he
he
must.
speaks English. He doesn't know Telugu. First of all, I asked my husband to speak with me in English, but he was not interested to speak with me, that too English. Then I started speaking with my kids. Yeah, they speak. My elder one speaks very well. He speaks better than me. So he's studying grade two, but he speaks well. They don't know anything about the grammar. So we are
So,
learning grammar like that. They use everything without learning grammar.
okay, let's just start with introduction. I would love to know about you. Then we can
Yeah.
start.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Sushma. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a housewife and I have two kids. And I have completed my BTech. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
BTech. Okay, that's great.
Yes.
So, do you have YouTube channel?
Recently, I have started. Recently, in the sense, I think 5 days back, I have started my channel. Let's see. I don't know about
Yeah,
anything. Yeah.
as you shared me also on text.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to continue with conversation on your channel, or what do you want to
Uh,
do?
yeah, solo videos also we can make, but I'm not getting time. It is easy compared to that because solo videos we have to be very careful when it comes to like conversational videos. The other person also will talk, right? So no problem. But in front of the camera, I'm unable to talk. That too, I'm not getting like I have to spend a lot of time for solo videos. I
As
noticed this. Yeah,
yeah,
and that I have two kids. I am unable to do that one. So I thought, okay, it is better to make solo videos.
yeah, absolutely fine
No,
for
no,
that.
not solo videos, conversational videos.
Mhm. You can do with this. First, you can have conversation when once you get confident enough to
Hmm.
start solo video. If you are comfortable with when you will be comfortable with the camera, you can make solo video. But now you can have conversation. You will learn many things: how to
Yes,
talk with people, how to ask many questions, how to interact. Many things we will learn from having conversation, right? So you can do that. First, even I did, like first I started my YouTube channel. That time I was making solo video, challenging video. So that
yes,
time I realized that I was practicing by myself. I learned English by myself. So I didn't know what to do. So I realized that I can talk with people. So that time I started having conversation, and till now I have completed many conversations, and now I make solo video also. So many people do that. Some people are comfortable with the solo video first, then they come with people. They some people feel hesitate with talking people to talk with people, right? But some people also feel that let's talk with people,
yeah.
then we
Wait,
comfortable.
Teja, wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, little
Okay,
bit we will try. Okay, all right.
okay. Yeah, Teja,
Do you want
know
to know
about
about?
yourself also.
Yes, yes. Okay, so my name is Sweta and I'm from Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. I have completed my graduation and I'm doing masters, and I have a YouTube channel, Sweta's English Lifestyle. Welcome to my channel. And thank you so much for connecting me. That's all about me. I teach English these days. Yeah,
Okay, you are teaching also,
yeah. I teach English. Like I am a learner of English, and
and
as
also
well as
simultaneously
started.
you are teaching.
Yeah.
Okay, how long has it been since you have started teaching?
You can say on online. I teach online, offline both. So in our institute, I teach. So it's been 1 year, and online, it can be 6 months, maybe. It is all completed 6 months. Yeah.
Okay, so how long have you been
when
learning
I
this
started
language?
when I started my YouTube channel of having conversation, that time I started teaching offline. Like I used to teach offline. So I was saying that I want to teach on online as well. So I started getting students when I started having
Okay,
conversation. So since that time I started. So it's
nice, nice.
already 5 6 months completed.
Okay, there's a 5 minutes. I'll come. Go, Amma. Go watch TV. Go, please. So his health is not good. So that's why he didn't go to school. I didn't send him to school. So
Oh,
yeah, he's watching TV now, but sometimes he's coming to me and asking something. Yeah.
yeah,
So
I can
yeah, yeah, you are like
have.
when did you start your YouTube channel?
I started 1 year. It has completed, but I was not active. Completely, you asked me. I completely active approx 6 7 months.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So how is your channel going on now?
it's going on well.
Okay. Actually, this is my, I think, third conversation.
Okay.
I have
Uh,
uploaded two videos. Yeah, two videos and three shorts.
okay. Haven't
Yeah.
you seen my video? Any?
I have watched one of my friends shared that link, shared of your video link to me. Yeah, then okay, she told me like Shweta, she's speaking well like that. She told me something about you, and then immediately I have opened that link and I have watched your one video maybe. So after that, I just messaged you. Yeah, now finally we have connected.
Okay. Oh wow,
Yeah,
your friend has sent
my
you.
one of my friends. Yeah, she shared that link to me, and I have watched one video.
Oh my God, that's great. Okay, so you are speaking quite well. Your English is so good, I would say. How did you learn?
All by myself, like you. It's been 1 year, 3 months since I have started my practice. I
Okay,
am a Telugu medium student
3 years.
actually. 1 year, 3 months.
Okay, 1 year, 3 months. Right.
Yes. And I have I studied in a Telugu medium school, and after that also I have studied in a Telugu medium college as well. So
Mhm.
after that I have studied BTech. Okay, at that time English medium, but I never tried to speak this language. Uh, so recently I have started when my younger one started going to school, I have started practicing this language. So yeah, recently like 1 year, 3 months since I have started my practice. From then on, yeah, 1 year ago I had a conversation with Rajni ma'am. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
1 year ago, after 3 months of my practice, only 3 months of my practice. I didn't have any YouTube channel at that time, nothing. Just I was a beginner, very beginner, I can say. Yeah, at that time I had a conversation with her. After that, I used one application which is called Buddy Talk application. I think
Buddy.
Buddy Talk. Yes, you
Mm-hmm.
might have known about that application.
Buddy
Yeah.
talk, I don't know.
Okay, okay. It is free of cost.
I
Yeah, same
knew
like.
English buddy link, which is
Mhm.
given by the Alina Ray's meme. So I think you have known about her. So you must have known about
Yes,
her,
yes.
right?
I
Yeah.
used to watch her videos. Very
Mhm.
like initially, I used to watch her videos.
Initially, I was
Uh,
not using any application, but I was using her link to get email to do email to get people there. We used to do email and giving our name, and we were getting each other email, and we had to connect like that. I was doing it was free of course, so I was using that, and also I was
okay.
using her group on Telegram. So that
Mm-hmm.
time I started learning English basically, talking with people because I didn't know about online platform that time when I started learning earlier. It was the initial time. So that time I didn't know how to speak, how to connect with people. So I connected with her channel. She used to make video a lot about English content. So I used to watch her video. So I got many people from her through her. So yeah, that's how I learned many people. Too much calling me continuously. Oh my god.
If you want to answer their calls, okay, you can.
No, 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 no. Now I'm having conversation. So why would I answer him?
Okay, okay. Because yeah, if it is important, yeah, we have to, right?
Yeah, this is important, of course, important because we are making here conversation for the YouTube video as well. People will watch. People are, yeah. Actually,
Okay.
every day I don't make video. I
Mm-hmm.
get one day to make video, and then again next day I have to go for institute teaching. I go for survey. I teach offline, online both, and for that reason I don't get time properly to make every single day video. I can't make every single day. That's why. Okay, okay.
It's
So
very
please
difficult,
tell
right?
me.
Yeah, tell
Please
me.
tell me about yourself. I'm just talking to myself. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Like nothing. Just I have two kids, right? So every day I'm very busy with them. So after 11, 11:30 also I have to give lunch box to them. So I have to go and give lunch boxes. After that, like from 12 to up to 3 o'clock, I'll be free. After 3, again I have to go for my younger one. And 3:40 also for elder one. I should go like every time. Nearly like 5 to 6 times I have to go. So that is why after 6 again they will go to tuition, sometimes
Yeah.
5:30, sometimes 6. My husband is also like he goes to office at 10:30,
Mhm.
sometimes 11:30, depends if he has any meeting, so he will go to office little bit late. So I cannot give like specific time to anyone. So that's why immediately whenever someone is messaging, so just I am I'm saying okay within like tell me ma'am please, I am free from 11 to like 3 o'clock, like that, so that I
Mm-hmm.
can talk. Now also he is there, but okay.
Yeah,
Till
I
now he
can
didn't
completely
tell me.
understand. It's very difficult to manage
Yeah, he
family.
started crying also, I think. He's
So
unable
do
to
you
watch
want to
some.
go? Do you
No
want to go
problem.
or do you want
He's
to
here
continue?
only. He's here only. He's watching TV.
Okay, how old is he?
He's 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I have
So,
both boys.
you need to manage a lot. I can understand that. Family and also you're practicing English. Many homemaker are there who have conversation every single day and they face problem and they
Mm.
need to manage by that. But still, they are trying to learn. That's a big thing for them. It's very important to do, right? Practice English whenever
Very
we get time.
difficult.
It doesn't matter what is the age, what is this
Yeah,
or what is
it's
that. We don't care about that. But the matter is what we want to do. Right.
mm,
Yeah.
yes.
So your English is quite natural. You speak very naturally. And
Thank you.
also, yeah, even you are not making grammatical errors. So accurately you are talking. You are talking accurately. So that's a good.
Thank you. Thank you. I have
You
learned,
learned very earlier, like within 1.5, as you mentioned.
1 year,
So
3 months, around 1.5 year.
yeah, how did you improve this much? It's like
Like
very
uh,
fast.
I, first initially I have learned grammar only. I had learned only grammar, at least I think for 3 months. Only grammar, like tenses also. I didn't know anything at the time. Verbs or like tenses, connectors. I didn't know anything. I used to write everything. I used to learn like first nouns, pronouns like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, like that. Me changes to I, we, us, he, him, she, her, like this. After that, modal verbs should, would, could, must, like all these things, and should have, must have, then should have been, must have been, like have to, has to, next have to be, has to, like these kind of things I have learned. I think first 5 months entirely I focused on grammar. After that I got to know about this application, like I have told you, as I mentioned earlier, buddy talk. So I started using that application, I think for 4 or 5 months. Continuously I used to talk with many people, even though I was making many mistakes, I used to talk with them. However, like whatever it may be, just I wanted to talk with people, I wanted to communicate with, I wanted to interact with so many people. Whether I'm going to like make any mistakes, okay, it is okay, fine for me. I didn't consider about anything at the time. Please,
Hi.
Amma, please, Teja, please go. 5 minutes, I'll come. Okay na? Thank you, go.
He can say to me hi.
Say hi to sister Teja. Hi sister. No.
Oh, I
Okay.
think she like it's a
He.
girl.
No, he boy. And hi, say hi akka, say hi sister. And please, Amma,
Now
go and watch TV for some time. Only 5 minutes, Teja.
Teja.
Uh,
It's a good name.
Teja. Yes. Is not letting me to see. Hi, sister.
Hi. What's your name?
Say what's your name?
Does he speak English?
He speaks English and he doesn't know Telugu. Our mother tongue is Telugu, but he's unable to speak Telugu. He
Only Telugu.
like, yeah, because he always he watches cartoon, like so many shows will be there na, Val and Nikki, Diana and Roma, so many. So he has learnt everything by from them. So he's speaking
Cartoon.
only in
From
English.
cartoon he learns.
Yes. he
Wow. He
he
must.
speaks English. He doesn't know Telugu. That's what
Wow.
everybody is saying to me. My mother is also saying to me, please let him know just Telugu little bit, small small words, so that we can also speak with them.
Mm. Teja,
Yeah.
can you speak English with me?
Say hi, sister.
Hi,
Say had
Teja.
your lunch. Ask had
I
your
can
lunch.
also I can
Geeta,
also speak
Teja,
English.
Geeta.
I can also speak English. Can you speak with me?
um, okay, so after that,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
budget
Continue
application.
your journey. Yeah.
I
Please go
have
ahead.
used Buttertalk application, and then yeah, I started interacting with so many people. And after that, what I have done, I connected with. I have told you now, I have connected with Rajni. So she connected me, like she added me to her WhatsApp group. In that group, so many people like housewives are there. I think 100 above. more than 100. Yeah, and after that, I stopped using the buddy talk application. So every day, yeah, every day I used to drop message in that group itself. Three or four conversation I used to have. So now, so I met two friends. I have told you now. So one of my friends told me like about you. She is also from that group itself. Yeah, I have met them online, like on in that group.
Okay.
So every day we talk.
Mm. That's how you improved, or any
Yes.
other
Yes.
activities do you
No,
do
I used to
in
I
writing?
used to watch writing little bit. I used to write some stories like that. Whatever I listen to, I used to write. Teja, 5 minutes. Chocolate is the chocolate. Chocolate. You want chocolate or jelly? Jelly. Yeah. Go and sit there. I'll give. Not there. Jelly also not there. It is there. I will give. Go.
Okay, so do you talk with your kid in English, right?
Yeah,
You
I
talk.
started talking. First of all, I asked my husband to speak with me in English, but he was not interested to speak with me, that too English. Then
Mhm.
I started speaking with my kids. Yeah, they speak. My elder one speaks very well. He speaks
Mm.
better than me. So he's studying grade two, but he speaks well.
Have kids,
Yeah, CBSC. What
and
did you
both
ask?
you have two kids, right?
I have two kids, two boys. Both are boys.
And both speak English.
Yeah, they speak English. At that time, I didn't know anything, but my son, elder one, told me like, "Mama, I should speak in English because my teachers told us like parents should speak in English. Why are you speaking in Telugu with me?" Then okay, I realized okay, so I should speak in English. And also, I faced a lot of situations when I went to their schools. At that time,
Mm.
teacher also when I like she was speaking with me in English once. I was saying just simple words like yes or like no, like that. I was answering to her. Then it was like a very embarrassing moment for me. Then I
Mm.
realized okay, it has a lot of importance, so we should learn. It doesn't matter, we should
Mm.
learn. Then after that, I have started learning this language. That's how I have learned. That's it.
Yeah, but I I have observed in you that I think you did hard work in grammar basically a
So
lot.
many things. Hard work in the sense, lot of, I used to write, like, I am watching TV, I used to write. And under like Telugu, in Telugu also I was writing.
Mm.
In Telugu also, simple, everything. Present tense, I think 10 or 15 days I have learned present tense. I used to practice all by myself. And past, like, is, am, a, do, does, did, was, were, will be, something, everything. Have been, has been, had been, will have been. I have learned everything, each and everything. After that, I started talking with people. 5 minutes.
Okay, does your kid also learn grammar or only learn
They are
cartoon?
not, they don't know anything. They don't know anything about the grammar. So we are
So
learning grammar like that. They use everything without learning grammar. They don't teach, right? In schools, for kids, they don't teach any grammar. Directly, they speak every day.
exactly. So we can understand with this that we can learn from grammar and also we can learn from cartoon by watching videos.
But
Depends on us how we are learning and how we are focused on that. Now,
yeah, your voice is not audible sometimes. Hello,
hello.
hello. I think my phone is getting this.